Hi, this is Justin at Sales Job Central. Before we get started with today's video, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I've been out of college now for 6 years, graduated from Texas Tech University with a degree in marketing, and I've been in sales ever since. Recently I was promoted to Director of Sales. I'm not trying to pat myself on the back, but I think I'm pretty good at what I'm doing. So this video series is going to be, some information, how to be a better sales rep, maybe for some new folks to sales. Sales 101 kind of stuff, maybe for some people that are a little bit more experienced than myself. Might be some tips that you might have forgotten. So today's video is going to be about how to introduce yourself when you meet your prospect. My thought is there's no such thing as overdressing when you meet someone. So, your first impression is one of the most important things that you can do. That's the easiest way that you can either help or lose a sale. Think about this. If you meet somebody for the first time and they're maybe not as professional as they need to be, or maybe their appearance just isn't what you imagine it to be, the opportunity that you will even give that person your attention is slim to none. And that's exactly how your prospects feel as well. So make sure you make a good first impression. Something as simple as a really firm handshake can make the difference between getting the account sold or missing out on the account entirely and having them go to your competition. So something easy as that can result in more money. So I hope you guys paid attention to today's video. I hope that'll help you guys out. Follow us on Twitter, follow us on Facebook, and good luck out there.